How to fix mobile legends stuck at loading screen. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and type Mobile Legends. Now tap on Mobile Legends and make sure you have updated to the latest version. Now go back to your home screen. Now keep holding the Mobile Legends icon and tap on App Info. First tap on Force Stop. Now go to Storage Uses and tap on Clear Data. Now tap on Delete. Now go back to your home screen and tap on Mobile Legends. So by following this simple step, you can fix game stock at loading screen. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.